Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the multiple opportunities like management trainee and internship opportunity in Hawkins Cooker Limited. And friend, we are going to check all the details who can apply, what is the eligibility criteria and how you need to apply. So please watch the video complete. So friend, before proceeding further, first we talk about the Hawkins company. So you can see here, Hawkins Cooker Limited was started in 1959 and they are having two offices, four factories and more than 700 plus persons working. And friend, they are the leader in the pressure cooker market in India and exported its products since 1974 to various countries in each of the six continents of the world. So friend, it is a very good opportunity. During the friend training period, you will get the package of 5 to 12 LPA, and once your confirmation done after the training, then your package will reach up to 7 to 14 lakhs. And they are having job opportunities for the management training and internship both. So you can see here we are at the official page of the Hawkins Cooker Limited. Here you have to go to the work with us, and once you click, then this type of window will appear. So you can see here the management training job opportunities, and you can see here they have mentioned that during the training you will get the 5 to 12 LPA, and on confirmation you will get 77 to 14 LPA. So once you click on this C roles, then this type of page will appear, and you can see here they are having opportunities in sales and marketing, technical, in research and development, human resource accounts, and IT systems. So before proceeding to check how you will apply, first we talk about the basic requirement in this management trainee job. So friend, you can see here the Hawkins has office, means they're headquartered in the Cup Parade and Mahim, and they are having factories in Thane near Mumbai, Hoshiarpur in Punjab, and Satharia in Jaunpur in Uttar Pradesh. And friend, this management trainee program will be consist of 18 months, and after completing this 18 months, your confirmation will be done depending on the your experience and how you perform during the training period. So like you can see, multiple fields of trainees are available here. So we are going to check the sales and marketing, and accordingly I will show you how you should apply. So once you click on this no more, then you can see at the bottom this type of description will be appear here. So you can see here the job consists of managing dealers, modern retail, and the canteen store department. And this job requires intensive travel and having good knowledge of the local language. Friend, basically it is a sales and marketing job, so you need to travel here, and you have to supervise and manage the salesman, merchandisers, and redistribution salesman. And sales targets come with monthly incentives. You can add up to 3 to 5 lakhs per annum incentives if you perform and meet your target. And depending on your performance, you will also get the chance to attend the foreign conference based on the experience and performance. And friend, you can see here the candidates may we move to into marketing. In marketing roles may involve various types of role like digital marketing, then social media management, performance marketing, market research, content, image and video creation, showroom development, brand and product management, packaging and communication design. So these are the various things are here. So you can similarly check the other technical jobs also. So for applying, I will take the one example, and accordingly I will give you the information. Then before going to check how you need to apply, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship related videos and technology. So please subscribe Info Roshan. It will motivate us to create a more content for you. So friend, let's check how you will apply. So first you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. Then you will come to this page here. Then you have to go to the apply now here, and once you click, then this type of a page will appear. So application is divided into three different parts like personal details, additional details, and education. So first you have to provide your personal details, then you have to enter your full name, your date of birth, email, and mobile number, etc. And then you have to provide language proficiency. Then you have to provide your employment status, means freshers or presently employed. You can select here, and friend, here freshers as well as external professionals both can apply. And friend, if you don't have any experience, means you are in the third year or final year, then you can apply for the internship. You can see here the link is given. You have to click on that, and this type of page will come here, and you have to provide the all the details, and you can apply for this internship opportunity. And friend, internship opportunity consists of a 2 month, and you will get the stipend of up to rupees 25,000 per month. And you can see approximately 50% of the stipend you will be get during the means monthly basis. And after reviewing your project, how you perform, then complete salary will be released. So these are the details here. You can find the link here. Click for summer internship, or you can also here you can see the link. And talking about this management training, once you provide your personal details, then you have to provide your educational details, your college name, etc., and then you have to upload your biodata. And one of the important thing is that you have to upload a handwritten note which consists of 200 words. And the question is that reason why I am interested in joining Hawkins. So you have to describe your answers in the 200 words. The language should be in English, and you have to write using the pen, and means you have to handwriting, and then you can upload here. And friend, make sure that your biodata and these handwritten notes should be signed, because it requires the self authorization. You can see here they have also given the requirement here, so you can apply. And friend, if you don't want to apply for online, then you can you send your biodata as well as the handwritten notes, and some other details, and you can courier to senior vice president personal Hawkins Coopers Limited. This address is given. You can note and apply, courier these details to here. And friend, after reviewing all these informations carefully, you should enter the OTP for verification purposes. And friend, you can see here candidates who qualify in written test will be invited for the group discussion and individual interview. So friend, first there will be you have to apply for this job, and once you are shortlisted, then you will be called for the written test. And if you clear the written test, then you will be called for the group discussion and individual interview at the Mumbai or respective locations. And after that, candidates will be go to the under medical exam. You will get the all the reimbursement for this the travel and these medical examinations. So you will all get the reimbursement. So you did not have to pay anything here. And after reviewing all this information, you can enter your OTP and you should submit the application. And friend, if you have any query regarding this management training and job opportunities or the internship, please comment on the video. If you have any doubt, we will definitely check your queries and provide you the answers. And friend, please subscribe in follow Sun.